Okay, there are two ways you can try to share your Google Docs document with anyone, with the public, but they basically can only see the document and cannot change or give comment to the document. So the first method is by using the general access setting. The first thing you need to do is go to the share button right here. And then under the general access, you want to change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, you will see the link has been updated, and of course the role that you want to give to the viewer is just, well, viewer, and I think this is the perfect fit for our case. After that, you can click copy link to copy the link of the document, and just for a quick demonstration, I'm going to open a private window where I did not sign into my Google account. So basically this is what anybody will see when they open the link, even though they don't have access to Google Docs or they don't have any Google account. As you can see here, I can see any pages of the document. I can see the page, I can copy, I can also print the document, and maybe even make a copy if I log into a Google account, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, I cannot change anything about the document. So that was the first method. But you might have noticed that there is a little bit problem about this method, meaning that anybody can see the owner of the document, and they can also see if you still opening the document. You can see this tiny indicator right here. It means that I'm still opening the document, I'm still working on it. So if you want to get a better privacy, then I highly recommend the second method. Let me close this page first. And the second method is basically just converting that document into a web page. And this web page is going to contain the same content of the document but arranged for a web page. So just go to the file menu, click share, and click publish to web, and click publish. Click OK, and you will get this shareable link that you can copy, and you can open to a private window again if you want to. Just for a quick demonstration that this is what the viewer is going to see. They can see the the content, but you can tell that the structure is not exactly the same. So that's probably one downside. But there is a redeeming quality of this method, meaning that the viewer cannot see the owner or what's going on the document. There is no other info other than the document itself or the name. And it's very limited, and printing the document is not exactly easy either. So if you need some more restriction, then this is the method for it. And of course, the viewer should be able to see the update every 5 minutes, so they should be able to see the latest version of the document. So anyway, those are the two methods you can try to share the document to the public and only allowing them to see the document without giving a chance to do anything. I hope you find this video helpful.